Why you can't tickle yourself. Imagine trying to tickle yourself right now. You can run your fingers across the most ticklish spots on your body, your ribs, your neck, the bottom of your feet, and nothing really happens. Maybe a slight sensation, but definitely not the uncontrollable laughter someone else can trigger. If you're new here, welcome to the channel where we unpack the science behind everyday body mysteries. And for the returning viewers who keep showing up for these small but fascinating questions, glad to have you back. So why can't you tickle yourself? The answer lies in how your brain predicts your own movements. When you decide to move, like reaching your hand toward your ribs, your brain sends a signal from the motor cortex to your muscles, telling them to move. But at the same time, your brain also sends a copy of that movement command to another region called the cerebellum. The cerebellum acts like a prediction system. It calculates what the movement should feel like before it even happens. This prediction allows the brain to recognize that the sensation coming from your fingers touching your skin is self-generated. Because the brain already expected it, the sensation is reduced or dampened. Neuroscientists call this process sensory attenuation. There's actually experimental evidence for this. In studies conducted at institutions like University College London, researchers used robotic devices that allowed participants to try tickling themselves with a delay between their hand movement and the touch. When the timing was slightly altered, so the brain couldn't perfectly predict the sensation, the tickling feeling suddenly became stronger. That experiment showed something fascinating. Tickling depends heavily on surprise. When someone else tickles you, your brain can't fully predict the exact timing, pressure, or location of the touch. That unpredictability keeps your sensory system highly alert, which triggers the ticklish response and often the laughter that follows. In other words, your brain is constantly filtering out sensations it knows you caused yourself, so it can focus on unexpected things happening around you. If you enjoy these quick explanations of strange body behaviors, tap the like button. It helps the algorithm push this video toward more curious viewers. And if you're interested in the science behind everyday sensations and reactions, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.